So before we start working on the project, I wanted to go over how you can get the resources like cars into the project. So there's kind of few ways. So you could go to a website like Sketchfab and try to get a vehicle and then adapt it to the project. But there is also a few places where you can just get already finished car that you can use in your project. So for me, what I did is just went into the templates of the Unreal 5 and basically used car template for this, but that's just one way how you can get the cars. So in here you have your vehicle template, which will give you assets and already created blueprints for a drivable car. Of course, we don't want the blueprints, we want to create everything from scratch. But you get this car which you can use and it's already set up with a rig and everything. That is one way. Next thing would be to try and find some vehicle packs. So in here, if I type car, I should have this drivable cars basic pack. So that would be one that we could use. So if I click on it, we get few cars that are already rigged and we can basically import it in a project. So you can just create the project with it. You can also, after you create the project, you can also migrate it to your other project. So I'm using Matrix City Sample as a project in which I will create the car from scratch, but you could also use any other project since we are doing all of the things from scratch. You can also go to the marketplace. And in here, if we type vehicle, and if you go to free, let's see, and let's click on free. We can see some assets in here. So we have the city sample vehicles, which we already get by having the Matrix City Sample. But this vehicle variety pack is also really good for the things that we want to create. So yeah, those are kind of the main ways that you can kind of get a car for free to test and create these features without having to like purchase a car or something like that.